We got a crusty one here. Real crusty one. So this is going to be interesting because I can't get this clean the way I'd like to. But I'm still going to press it. I wonder if it's going to leak. I doubt it as long as the surface is nice and smooth. But I've been chipping away at this for the last 20 minutes. Nah, more like 5. Let's see what happens. Yeah. This is blades too. I just replaced these blades on this. There you go. Now, I definitely cannot do this with one hand. So let's see. All right. There you go. No leaky leaks. All right, I'll put that back on and that's it.